Alright guys, as you can see we got the new headlights for the truck. I waited on these for over a year. They were out of stock like forever. I needed like a certain one. So they're black internals with a smoked outside, and holy crap, looking at them now, those things are freaking smoked. Like they are blacked out. But yeah, super stoked to get these on the truck. I know you can't really see what it really looks like right now, but it's kind of like two C's in there and then LEDs in the middle. I think it's gonna look so sick. And yeah, let's unwrap the other one and we'll go throw it on the truck. Alright guys, we got the truck back as far into the garage as we can get it. I'm going to show you guys my old taillight setup, and we'll start taking them off, throwing the new ones on. This is what we got. They're just kind of like basic LED taillights. I don't know if I said headlights before, but taillights. So we got two screws, it looks like. I think these are super simple. It's just two screws, and then I think they just pop out. Undo the wires, and that's really it. So this is the back of the old taillights. Pretty disgusting. Not sure what the heck's even going on, but trying to figure out if I even have the connector that I need for the new taillights, because I don't know about y'all, but this doesn't look like what I need for the new ones. Alright guys, I think I figured it out. So, where all these wires are getting run to, whole cluster right here. This is in the back. I think my new lights plug into one of them ports up there where those connectors are. So we're going to figure out what one's for the tail lights, and we can plug the new connector. That's what the new connector looks like. So we'll plug that in to whatever connector it needs to go to, and that should do it. So I guess I just got to clean up this wiring mess. This is how I bought the truck. So we'll clean up this little wiring mess and hook these up. I'll be right back. We figured it out. That's the clip. So up there where that big harness was, you actually can take it down. It's like a whole panel. I know it's kind of dark, but essentially it's just that one bolt right there, and you can drop down the whole panel and pull the wires right out. So here's the new taillight. Came with these resistors here. These from what I know, these get pretty hot. So I think what we're gonna do, it's got 3M sticky tape on the back, and then I'll self-tap screw right into the body back there, and that way it can like, you know, the heat will spread through the metal in the body rather than on the plastic on the back of the light. Alright, resistors in, got it screwed on, 2 self-tapping screws with the tape, and then just plug this in the back of the light. Let's get this thing on. Damn, I think she looks good, guys. Here's the old one, just kind of a bunch of LED little lights, and here's the new one. I think it looks sick. I really think it looks sick. So this top piece, all these LEDs light up for brake light, turning signals, and then this bottom is the reverse light. What do you guys think? I like it. We're gonna get this one thrown on now, and yeah, it's super simple to throw in, literally plug and play right to the bottom of the truck. So, by the way, if you guys wanted to pick a set of these up, I'll have them linked down in the description box below. I think they're probably like the best looking taillights for the 2007 to 2013 Silverados. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And yeah, let's get this other taillight thrown on. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. That's with the reverse light on. Looks so sick at night. Love the look of them. And then if we just turn on daytime running lights. Yeah. I love the look of that. They look so sick. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up the video. If you wanted to pick up a set of these lights, I'll have it linked down below. they look sick. They're honestly probably my favorite taillight for this like range of Silverados. So yeah, would recommend. No issues putting them in. Everything worked out. I had to go pick up a set of reverse bulbs because the ones that I had in my old taillights didn't switch over. But yeah, other than that, we're good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. And catch you guys in the next video. Peace.